Go.
Let's go, dude.
Oh, watch me like the fireworks now. Boom, boom, boom.
Oh.
Watch me like the fireworks now.
Oh my god.
That shit was.
One. Oh. Yo, what the? That was crazy. Yo, the firecrackers ended at the right time.
Yeah, what's the firecracker? Boom. Turn it up. The firecrackers, they hurt my ears. They took the water out my ears from the pool, man.
That one was nice. Okay, do you have more? Okay, come on.
Whoa, those are getting high. Those get high. Oh, it's on fire. Yo, what the heck?
We got all this right here.
You could do that one. We're running away.
Oh, the little ones. The little ones.
I don't know if they're gonna get it.
You know what I do? Nah, just leave them, man. You don't need to do those little ones.
No, these ones we do it
On the side.
on the side, yeah.
Ooh. Little small ones.
Give me that.
Ready? You guys ready? Okay.
Wait, hold up. You guys are gonna do a lot of them.
Wait. No, you should. Let me count down.
Alright, ready? You got it?
Oh my god, yo.
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god. Yo, what the heck? That was crazy. I was so close to it. Yo, these little ones, you can throw them in the sky and they pop. Oh. Watch this. Watch it. Watch what it's gonna do. Yo, that's crazy. They're doing fireworks. See, kick. They make little noise. It's so much more smoke than anything else. It's more smoke. Look at that. It's pretty loud.
Which one is gonna end first?
Mine, because I started first.
No, the big box anyways is more bigger. So it contains more.
Get back. Go back.
Damn.
Yeah, bro.
That thing is.
There we go.
Just stop.
Okay. Alright, this is the last one, guys. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
2, 1, go.
And then we're gonna do these ones. Here we go. Oh, they didn't like.
Don't get scared.
Oh, they separated. Look at that.
This should have been big time.
I mean, they're going pretty high. That's pretty high for a
Put this in the dirt. That would light up the freaking forest fire,
That was unexpected. Holy crap. That was so unexpected.
Yeah. Oh, what's the...
Why are you guys running so much? That thing's nothing. Alright, that was it for today, guys. It was a good one, right? But I like the bombs one though.
Yeah, but my favorite one was this.
Yeah, the bomb. That's the bomb. I call them the bomb. The bomb, I call them.
They used to go high.
Alright, guys. Hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and like we always say,
Don't forget
don't
to
forget to
smile.
smile.
Peace out.
Peace out.